bill payments, and billing preferences at your fingertips. Receive a notification when your invoice is ready. You can also view your balance and pay bills from the dashboard. Use a credit card for easy, secure payments. You'll receive a message confirming your payment details. You can add or update your credit card in the Manage Payment menu. Select AutoPay for hassle-free automatic payments. View previous invoices and payments anytime. Enroll in the Equal Payment Plan to spread your payments evenly throughout the year. For more predictable monthly billing, email us to Enroll. Stay on top of your account anytime, anywhere.